Two women cause disturbances in public. This woman assaults multiple officers when confronted, but first see this Karen, who has no idea the mess she's about to get into.
Yeah, her keys are actually inside because we did not feel right giving her keys. Very inebriated. She does not stay here. She says she stays in the vicinity. That's the gentleman that she was arguing with.
Dave, if you want to talk to her, I'll talk to him.
Hey, how are you?
Wonderful. How are you?
Good, great.
What's going on?
This boy in there is talking shit. He's like anti-police. He's anti-everything. He's a moron. So we kind of got into a conflict.
Okay. How do you know him?
I don't know him from shit.
Okay.
Who is she to you?
Nobody.
Nobody.
You never met her?
I'm not from here. I'm from South Carolina.
Obviously.
Yeah. And then I parked on the other side, but then I saw her lean on top of the blue Mustang. She started looking through it, like going through people's stuff, and I was like, I don't want to leave my stuff here.
Because he's a moron. I don't know a moron.
You got any ID on you?
Sure, in my truck.
You don't have the keys for it, though, do you?
I do.
You have the keys?
They're in the fucking goddamn. They're in the hotel, man.
Okay.
I went in there to went pee.
Yeah. Where do you
I
live?
can walk home from here.
Where do you live?
Across the street. Go ahead, Google it.
I don't
I
need
promise
to
you,
Google it.
I can
I know
walk
where
there
it's
from
at.
here.
What's your name?
Laura?
Is that your full name? No.
What are you talking about? I
Is
mean,
that
what do you want?
Is that your first name?
What do you want?
Just to type, we got to file. Let me go over here real quick.
What do you... Yes, I live across the street.
I don't care whether you live across the street because you're not going yet. Because if we got a criminal charge, what car is yours?
You're currently charging me for walking?
Oh, disorderly intoxication if you want to go to burglary.
Burglary? What did I steal? I didn't steal anything.
No, don't you dare. Don't you even dare.
I didn't steal anything. Are you kidding me?
Now we got resisting. How's that?
Yeah, you're a badass, aren't you?
Not as bad as you when you go to jail.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Don't you snatch away from me.
Get
All right,
me
John.
out of this thing. Now.
Guess what, John? You're going.
Now.
You're going.
Now.
I'm not going to tolerate
Oh, get off my shoulder. I'm a
Let's go.
woman. I'm a woman. Get off my shoulder. Stupid ass.
Thank you.
Did you see if she took anything out of that blue Mustang? You said you saw her in there.
No, sir. She was looking in there.
Look in there, she didn't take anything out.
No, sir. But she was also looking in there, and then she started laying on all over the car.
Okay, never mind then. You want to go disorderly intox and resisting? Or do you just want to disorderly intox?
Oh, we can do resisting.
Yeah, you can definitely do a resisting arrest.
Okay.
Use the restroom real quick.
Yeah, no problem with it.
All right, we'll just get a statement from you real quick.
So,
You called us here?
I called you here. So in the beginning, she first came in. I'll take it from the start. Like she first came in and she like leaned on against the wall. I was like, huh, and she knocked over one of our huge plants. So I got that back up and she was like, where's your bathroom? So she went to the bathroom.
And she came in the front door, right?
Yeah, she came in the front door.
You're at the front desk there?
Yeah, I was coming from the bar because I work
Okay.
at the bar right now. Today, I'm at the bar.
Gotcha.
I leave her, I come back, and she's at the front desk talking to my front desk rep, saying whatever. You know, we could tell she was drunk.
Oh, yeah.
She left her keys up there. Didn't think it was right to give her her keys. Me and my front
She
desk
just
person-
left them sitting?
Yes, on the
okay.
desk. Yeah, so we didn't know if she was a guest there because people check in all the time. But I don't know when she checked in, so I didn't know if she was a guest or not.
But y'all have confirmed she's not a
She's
guest.
not a guest.
Okay.
No. She said she lives in there. I asked her where she's a guest. She said no, but she does live in the area.
Okay.
So then she came outside and he saw her looking through cars. He thought she was looking through cars. And then that's when I called the police. And then and that's when she started yelling at him.
Okay.
And it was getting louder and louder. And that's
This
when
took place out here?
Yes, it took place out here. It did go in there, but I did coerce her to come outside.
Okay, so at some point she went
was in
inside
there, yeah.
and she was
Called
yelling.
him white trash and all
Okay.
this stuff like that.
Were there
So,
other patrons walking
yes,
around?
they were.
And,
I had
okay.
a few people trying to check in. at the
Okay.
time.
And were they turning and looking?
They were
to
turning
see-
and looking and like, what's going on?
Okay.
So, yeah.
Did she
But,
argumentative with you?
no,
anything?
not at all. Just him.
Okay.
Just him.
Do you want to trespass from here?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else you need from me?
That's it.
All right.
I do appreciate you.
No problem. Thanks for calling.
Me in front of my car, and then I was like, "Can you please get away from my stuff?" And I was like, "I feel threatened right now." I was like, I can't get in my car to get away."
She blocked your freedom of movement to get into your car.
Yes, sir.
correct?
And then I was standing on my car trying to get in, but she kept acting like she was going to charge at me. So I walked back in there, and then she came behind me. She started calling me white trash, F you.
Did she cause such a commotion that other people's attention was diverted towards you guys?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything that we've missed that you wanted to add to this?
No, sir.
Have you been to jail before?
A little bit.
Here? St. John's?
No.
Oh. Okay. Where?
Never.
Where have you been to jail?
Never.
You just said.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I know that's what they do.
Oh, okay. Well, you watch too much TV.
Yeah, you're right. I do.
Laura was charged with disorderly intoxication and resisting without violence. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
You okay? What's going on?
Man, you better stop talking.
Hey, what is wrong with you? You got people.
Shit,
We got 5 people.
What's wrong with you, bro?
Stop yelling at me like
Hey,
that.
what you gonna do about it, nigga?
Get up.
Get up.
Show you what's
I'm
up.
female, that's right.
I don't care. I don't care.
No, you don't.
Are you gonna throw something at me? Okay, cool. No, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand right now. Stop. Give me your hand. No. Give me that other hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Play like that, huh?
Yeah, I wanna play like that. And one, bitch. And one, and one. I'm well, huh? I'm a female. Mark Boost. I got your own footage, huh? You lying, I ain't even know. I'm going to try.
Get up. Walk.
How about that, ho?
How about that, huh?
Yeah, how about that, nigga? And what? That's what you got to police ass.
Stop.
Ha ha ha. Take my hat off. You gonna take my goddamn hat off on me, bitch. I know what the fuck I want.
Stop.
You hoe.
Get her. Stop it. Stop it. Pull that goddamn car. Fine.
Get my property, hoe. Why they keep shooting me like this? They didn't even turn the motherfucking lights on. I ain't even got shit on me, man. Why?
Did you not say anything on the radio about...
Throws her phone at me, hits me with it, throws cigarettes at me. I'm like, no, we're not gonna see her. I'm not gonna let you throw stuff at me. When I tried to get her into custody, told her she was under arrest, she started resisting, fought her into cuffs. I don't even think they're double locked. Doing help me double locking. She's like kicking me in the face and stuff.
Man, why? Nobody gives a fuck about me, please. Fuck you, hoe! Don't touch my shit again, nigga! Ha ha! Ha ha ha! You a bitch!
Hey,
What's wrong with you, fool?
hey, you want to let us double lock those handcuffs so they don't tighten up on you?
What you do? Open my door.
Hey, I'm trying to make those...
I got spit, fool. Move out the way. I'm going to jail. Move. You got your body cam? Hell no. Move out the way.
All right, f it. You can just have tight-ass handcuffs. F***ing dumbass.
Go with it. Huh? Whatever.
Yeah.
I'll put in the back that she was fighting me into the car, and we asked her if she'd let us. If she spit on you.
Yeah.
That's a felony.
Hey, take a picture of it while it's here.
Send me a picture, but I'll get a photograph.
I'm back here. You're not going to be compliant.
Just spit on him when we were trying to adjust the handcuffs. Get a photograph of that.
Yeah, put your body cam on. Cause I'm like that, nigga. I'm a dude too, I'll beat your ass. I'm retarded, hoe, but I got feelings, bitch.
Man, so when I walked up, she's sitting on the curb, and I tried to talk to her, and she's like, I don't want to talk to you, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, well, we got to call it. You're out here fighting cars. Like, what are you doing? And she takes her phone and throws it at me, hits me with her phone. And so I said, cool, you're going to jail. I get a little closer, I can smell she's intoxicated, and then we start fighting. I'm trying to key up, and she's like swinging and kicking, so I just going, yeah, do, and I put her on the ground, and she like squeezed her arms together, so I pulled her hands behind her back, got one cuff on, and got the other one in and cuffed her, and then I couldn't double lock them, and we tried to double lock and she spit on crook, so.
I never seen her before in my life. All right.
I didn't hit her at all, so there's no use of force. Okay.
Why is her spit like brownish? Weird. Yeah, I'm probably going to get Rona now. Oh well. Yeet.
I got this unidentified female in right to the detention center.
You don't hear me. Shut the fuck up. You doing your job. You ass dog. Shut the fuck up. Let's go, nigga. I'm ready to go. Ride. Turn your lights on and your sirens, ho. How about that? Let a nigga know what's up, ho. Shut the fuck up, bitch! Shut the fuck up! I hear you talking! You ain't fucking the police, you a bitch! Come on, you're going slow, ain't you? What? Like that! You dead, bitch!
I showed up on scene because she was outside an orthodontist causing issues, and I was like, hey, we got a call that you're like yelling and screaming and intoxicating. She takes her phone and just throws it at me and hits me with it, so I'm like, all right, cool, and then we start fighting.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Calm down.
She said she got out like 2 days ago or something like that.
Yeah. Don't touch me, I want a female. My arm hurts, you better let me go, I want a female. 26, here I come.
Oh, so much spit.
This suspect Maricela was charged with aggravated assault on a peace officer resisting arrest, possession of drug paraphernalia, 2 counts of second-degree assault, and public intoxication, totaling a bond of $6,500. She is innocent unless proven guilty.